Hey all, welcome back. In the previous video, we have already seen that how we can use the mv command in our infrastructure. Now we will gonna see that how to use copy command in Linux environment. In order to do that, let's first create a new file. Let's see that what are the different file are already exist in this share path. So currently we do have these files in this particular folder. Let's create a new one called test. So in order to create a new file, the command is touch space test. It will gonna create a new file with the name called test. If you see that there is a new file is existing now. Now create a new folder as well. Let's go ahead and create mkdir new folder as copy test, and it will gonna create a new folder within this particular folder. Now let's copy the test file into the new folder that what we have created. In order to do that, the command is copy space the file name test, and where you want to copy this file, copy test. This is the folder space. Once you press enter, it will gonna automatically copy the file for you. Sorry, the command is cp, not copy. It will gonna automatically copy the file from one space to the another one. Now let's go back to the folder and test that whether we are able to see the new file over there or not. Let's go to cd /copy desktop. We have newly created a new folder, copy test, and ls. You will be able to see that the new file has been copied over there. Now if you go back to the previous folder, and you will be able to see that this file is already exist over there. So it work like the same way that your Windows platform have it. If you move, it work as a cut command. If you use a copy command, it will just gonna create a replica of the same one wherever you want it. Thank you.